We've got a breaking news coming in on this broadcast, and we can tell you that there has been no consensus among states on the extension of the nationwide lockdown in India. Remember, Prime Minister Modi held a virtual meeting with the chief ministers of various states just a short while ago. However, over 7 states have demanded a lockdown extension. Joining us on this big breaking news is WION's political editor, Kartikeya Sharma. Kartikeya, over to you.
What has happened is that a lot of states in this video conference demanded the extension to be extended. There are a couple of states who do not want the lockdown to be extended in non-hotspot areas. But primarily what we have come to know in the meeting is that the Prime Minister stressed the importance of lockdown. He said that lockdown has been successful in saving lives of people. When he was asked questions by chief ministers on economy, Prime Minister said the economy is in good shape. Prime Minister also said that they are able to tackle the issue of migrant workers. And this is to remind the viewers that today at the Supreme Court, Centre has already said that they are taking care of 14.3 crore migrant workers in more than 35,000 camps with the help of Centre, state governments and NGOs. They are feeding them, and they are of the opinion that they should not be allowed to move into the rural areas, lest infection spread there. Now, coming back to this meeting, it is also very clear that the planes and trains are unlikely to ply from 3rd. There has been a proposal, a lot of chief ministers were of the view that at least the non-hotspot areas or the green zones where there has been no reportage of the coronavirus, they should be allowed limited economic activity. But as of now, the plan has not been announced. The plan will be announced somewhere 24 hours before 3rd of May or on the 3rd of May. Prime Minister has received all these inputs from the CMs. But I would say the important aspect is that some of the chief ministers raised the local and regional issues. For example, the chief minister of Bihar had raised the issue of the testing kits. Or for example, a couple of North Indian states were of the view that where the hotspots have been taken care of, they should be allowed to regulate economic activities. But there was a consensus. And senior officers of Ministry of Home Affairs very clearly indicated that the lockdown will be strictly enforced in hotspot areas even after 3rd of May, which means that in case there is, the graded, lockdown exit plan is announced. I'm using the word graded in the sense which will be for hotspot areas, yellow areas which were hotspot but now they are doing well, and non-hotspot areas. It will be in phased way in which states will have say, but wherever the designated hotspot areas exist, they will be under a complete shutdown. There will be no relaxation.
Right. Kartikeya Sharma, thank you so much for joining us on that big breaking news. We're really out of time, and we'd like to thank all our viewers for joining us on this broadcast. Do stay tuned to WION.